Brooklyn bound A Express train. The next stop is 14th Street.
Which one you want? This one? Okay. I kind of want the deep freeze. The limoncello and lemon.
You know, you sent me a video on TikTok where it was like, oh, when I talk about my best friend, so she's smart, whatever. And I think I messaged you back, and I was like, that was literally me the other day. yo voy a estar en Alex, te vuelvo para atrás. This one's the glizziest of them all.
Get the front one.
This one. I think this
Or
one.
whichever, yeah.
I think that's enough, right?
And when I move it, okay.
So now you just use regular.
Clip.
Яйця добрі. Are you getting those too?
Yeah, you can just insert it. And I'll have those out in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Bring back summer.
What are these titles?
A caseworker being assigned an orphanage in an island trying to determine whether 6 dangerous magical children are so dangerous.
Oh. Is this a romance?
That book is